I don't think you'll understand how much fun I had making this. Hey guys, so today's video is a little different. I decided to do a Padmavati, not Padmavat, I don't care if they change the name, a Padmavati inspirational look. And so I had seen that a lot of people have already done like the cover of Deepika in her red dupatta with it over her head with the tiko and everything, with her hands like this. However, I wanted to do a more simpler look. So for those of you who have watched the movie, spoiler alert, there is a Holi scene where Deepika wears just this cream beige colored outfit with gold, and her jewelry and her hair and her eyes stand out more than anything. And minimal color, so everything is pretty much nude. It's her that stands out. It's her personality. It's her grace that stands out more than anything. So today's look is inspired by what she wore and what she was doing in that scene. And I figured why not do it around the time of Holi itself. So happy Holi, my loves. For those of you who don't know what Holi is, I'll leave a link down below to explain what Holi is. If you'd like to see how I achieved this look, then please keep watching.
Alrighty, so to begin with, I'm priming my face with Farsali Unicorn Essence, and I'm going to go ahead and do my brows as well. As usual, I will be listing all of the products used down below in the description box. So I went ahead and color corrected, and I'm about to apply my foundation. Today I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me, and using a beauty blender before going in to my contour and my highlight. I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit in cream and in powder afterwards. I'm going to use my Ben Nye Luxury Powder in Banana to set my under eyes. And then I'm going to take my RCMA translucent powder to set everything else in place with the fluffy brush. So overall, I did want to keep the face not too dramatic, but I did want to alter my face a little bit to make it look like I have Deepika's cheekbones, because your girl don't. Just finishing up with some blush here before I go in and do the infamous unibrow that Deepika has in this movie. And I did kind of play around with products here and there. I did want to layer, so I did put a little bit of foundation and powder on top just to make it look like some of the lighter hairs were there before going in with my heavier strokes and make the flicks really stand out. Alrighty, so onto the eyes, I went ahead and primed with my Urban Decay Primer Potion. Today's eyeshadows will all be taken from the Huda Beauty Palette, the Rose Gold Edition. So here I'm just taking my first shade in Sandalwood, and then going in with the shade Henna, just to darken it up a little bit. I wanted to keep it very, very neutral and simple, just like Deepika has it, before going in with Bay to highlight my brow bone, as well as apply it into the first 2/3 of my eyelid. For eyeliner today, I'm going to be using this one by BH Studio Pro, and I'm going to just breeze through because you will have seen me do my eyeliner a million times. So I'm just going to pop some eyeshadow on my lash line before going in and popping on some highlight on my cheekbones.
Well, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys liked it, then leave me your feedback down below in the comments. And and give this video a thumbs up. Share it with some friends or some family that you think would also enjoy this look. And subscribe if you'd like to see more of my face. Until next time, guys. Bye. I don't want to change. Can I just be Padmavati? Actually, no, she does Johar. Never mind, scratch that, I want to live.